Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open the fuel tank in a Wagon R. First, locate the fuel lid release lever inside your car. This lever is usually positioned on the floor, close to the driver's seat, often marked with a fuel pump icon. Once you find it, pull the lever firmly upwards. You should hear a click, indicating the fuel tank door has unlatched. Now, walk to the rear of your Wagon R, specifically on the passenger side of the vehicle. You will notice that the fuel tank door is now slightly ajar, having been released by the lever. Gently push this door open completely. This action will fully reveal the fuel cap, making it accessible for you to proceed with refueling. With the fuel cap now visible, it's time to remove it. Grasp the cap firmly and turn it counterclockwise. You will feel it loosen as you turn. Continue rotating until the cap is completely free from the fuel filler neck. Many Wagon R models have a small holder on the fuel door or a tether. Place the cap there to keep it safe. Now you can insert the fuel nozzle into the filler neck and begin refueling your Wagon R. Once finished, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring it's sealed properly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Finally, close the fuel tank door by pushing it firmly until it latches securely back into place. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.